In this video, we are going to be unboxing this package. So sit back with me and let's do it. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm happy to see you guys again. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a package. As I earlier said, what is in this package is a ring light. This is a gift, a birthday gift for my elder sister. My birthday was on 9th of March, so she revealed it from Lagos for me. And to be honest, I'm very excited about it because I've been saving my money to buy it for the longest time. And like I said before, it's a ring light. I've opened it before, I've seen what is inside. So this is not like a reaction to what is in the box video. This is an unboxing video. Just resealed it back to like make an unboxing video for you guys. So let us do this. I'm going to be starting from the tripod, and I have here my blade, which I'll be using to tear it open. So yes, it comes in this bag. I'll just show you guys what is inside it. So this is what the tripod looks like. I can adjust it. If I want to like open it up, I'll control it from here. Open it up. So as I'm losing it now, it can go as wide as I want it to go. It stands basically just stands on the floor like this with the three legs. This part is not supposed to be on the floor, so it just stands, and that's exactly how it's standing on the floor. I can adjust it to go as long as I want it to go, but no, I wouldn't be needing it this long, so I'll just bring it back down to the length that I want it, or height that I want it to be. So I like it at this point. Yeah, so that's it for the tripod. Next up, we're going to be unboxing the ring light. That is the main thing. I'll be taking my blade again and I'll just tear it from under because I don't want to go through the stress of tearing it. So I'll just take the blade and tear it open. And I have here the ring light and some other stuff that came with it. They're all here. So first of all, I'll just show you guys the ring lights if I go to the other ends. Came in this pack, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the pack. I'll just open it up. I'm using this stuff, I don't know, I'll call it an adapter because I don't know what's actually called. So I'll connect this adapter to the tripod stand that I already have here. So now this is not a rechargeable ring light. This ring light works with power. So what I'm going to do, it comes with this cord. What I'm going to do is to connect it to the head of my phone charger. I'll connect it to the head of my phone charger just like this. And when I plug it in, I'll then connect it to this socket. As it's connected to the socket, it then shows this blue light to signify that it has been plugged in. So what next I'm going to do is just to put it on. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like facing you, facing the camera, and I'm also going to show you what it looks like facing me. So this is the first light. It has 3 different types of light. So I'll just change the light. I can change the light. I can change it to this third one and back to the first. I can also increase the lights. I can also reduce the light to suit me. So this is the light increased, changing into different filters. So let me just face it to my direction. So this is what this light looks like facing me. This is what it looks like in the other one, and this is what it looks like in the third light. So you guys can see how the quality of my video changed just by switching on the ring light. This is a very exciting one for me because honestly speaking, I need better quality videos. Like I said before, this ring light is not a rechargeable ring light. It works with power, and when there is no power, you will not be able to work. But then another alternative you can use in case you don't have NEPA light, because I'm actually very lucky that I'm filming this and there is NEPA light, because what are the odds if in a situation where you want to film and then there's no light, or you want to take a picture and there's no light, a very good option would be to use a power bank. So what you do in this instance is just to take your cord and plug it into the power bank. So when you plug it into the power bank, it still shows this light that shows that it's powered. So what I'll do is just to turn it on, and you can see it gave me the same light effect. And so a power bank is another option in case you want to work with the ring light and then there's no light. I'll go ahead to show you guys what else is in the box. This box came, this is my phone cord, don't come with it. This is a phone holder that came with the box. Basically what this phone holder does is, when you connect this phone holder to the ring light, and what it does is just to hold your phone in place in case you want to shoot a video. I'm using my phone to record, so what I'm going to do is I'll use my phone pouch that I've abandoned. I'll use it to make this illustration. So if this is my phone, I can just put it here like this. It can expand, so I'll just connect it like this. And if I want to shoot facing straight, I can just do it like this. But if I do not want to shoot in this frame or angle or whatever, I can turn it like this. So this is very flexible and can turn in any direction. So this is basically what the phone holder is for. Next, I'll show you guys these lenses. It came with different lenses. This is it. These are the lenses, 2 lenses, and the lens adapter that just holds the lens. I'm not going to show you guys what the lenses do. Maybe in subsequent videos I'll use them so that you can see the effect it has. What I'll show you guys next is this remote control. I like this remote control because it has made my work much simpler. Instead of running towards the phone to start the video and running back to be in the video, all I'm going to do is stand in front of my camera and switch this on. If I switch it on, it shows this blue light to show that it's on, and then I can then connect it to my phone with Bluetooth. It automatically connects to my phone now. So what I do is just to press one of these buttons here, and then my video has started recording. So this is all that came in my ring light box, and like I said, my sister sent me this and I'm very excited. I'm very grateful to her because she has just helped my ministry move forward, and I would like you guys to help me appreciate her by subscribing to her channel. I'm going to link it. She's also a YouTuber that gives very valuable content, professional tips on how to move your profession to the next level. I'll just say that, and health talks too. So I'll just link her YouTube channel here so that you guys can just subscribe to her and watch her videos in a way to say thank you for gifting me this ring light. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for staying and watching this video with me to this point. If you did, please, that means you enjoyed this video. So please like this video, comment, ask me any questions about the ring light, congratulate me, say anything you want to say, and I'll be there waiting to answer you. Also, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.